Well, guys, 2020 is finally over. Oh, we made it. We made it.
Happy New Year!
Guys, wow. I mean, it's been a mess of a year. You know, with the coronavirus hitting us the way it did, families and friends being affected with it. Guys, like, if you made it through the year, congratulations, I think.
Jumanji. Did we all say Jumanji?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's been a mess. We're thankful that you guys are here. You made it through the year. Our condolences if you lost anybody through the plague.
And thank you to everybody that's been, like they say, the frontliners, nurses, EMTs, all those people. We're so grateful and thankful for all of you guys, especially our military as well. Of course, you know that. But we just want to say a thank you.
Our truckers too.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You guys are humanitarians. I don't care what they say about you. I'm a little biased, because I work for a transportation company. But honestly, guys, all these people who didn't have to work, but chose to work and keep food on our bellies, clothes on our backs, roofs over our head. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. But 2021 is here finally. Yay. Thank goodness.
And we're so excited.
Oh, we are. You know, and when we look back, obviously you can tell by the title of this video, it's kind of a look back of where we've been and where we're going to go with our channel.
We could have, unfortunately, with the virus for a while, we couldn't do anything. No. So it was a lot of local things. So hopefully you guys understand that we wanted to go out. We just wanted to make sure that we were safe and healthy, so that way we could go to these places with you guys and take us with you.
Right.
Or take you guys with us.
Yes. But even though 2020 was kind of a messed up year, it was a huge year for our channel. And guys, we can only thank you for supporting us. Oh my goodness. I mean,
thank you guys so much. We say it a lot, but you're going to hear us say it a lot more, because we definitely are thankful and grateful for
I just thought about this.
Our fan bam. But we are. We very.
Oh my goodness, guys. We hit milestones for our channel.
We didn't think that we would hit.
No.
We had high hopes for it, and you guys definitely went way over and beyond.
Right.
And just, wow.
I mean, I'm a little nerdy.
There's not an Excel spreadsheet up on the screen that we're looking off of at all.
No.
Nope.
Guys, we hit 408 subscribers total for our channel. Without you as our viewership and our subscribers and our family and our community, we wouldn't be here today, I don't think, because YouTube is a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, and you guys kept us going. All your comments, all your positive comments, all the likes, it makes us drive even harder to bring you guys the best stuff, and for you to come along with us on our adventure travels and just things like that. We've gotten to places we haven't been. No.
Anyone who knows me, I'm not a go out and see things. So because of you, like our trip to Nebraska, I probably wouldn't have stopped. Let's get in a car and we go as fast as possible to the place, and we stop minimally. And without you along with us, we probably wouldn't have done what we did in that video, or that travel series. So thank you for getting me outside of my box, because without you as our community, we probably would be so at home. No, but when we kind of look back at our favorite part of this year besides COVID, I think we have some favorite videos.
I think we have favorite times that went with the videos, but not necessarily the video itself, because there's a lot of great videos that I think we made for you guys and took you along. Yeah. But I have a top 5. They're not in order at all. I had to look back on all of them, because I was thinking, well, this would be good. But I was like, oh, but this is so much better. But then this is good, and it has these memories. So this was a very tough list to try to put together.
By the way, we only published 113 videos. So to narrow it down to 5 videos, I think it's pretty hard.
That was definitely hard. But just kidding. So without further ado, and not in any particular order at all, because that would be even harder and that would not happen.
No.
But my favorite times and favorite memories are when we had the cast member preview for the Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway. That was my first one ever.
Yeah, and I was kind of disappointed that you couldn't bring a +1.
It was so much fun, like, just experience it by yourself, but then you had your other fellow cast members. Like, we didn't know what to expect, we didn't know what to do, we felt like we were guests, and we're like, but it was so much fun, and I cannot wait for more. Hopefully that is very soon in this year. We heard a few more rides or attractions should be opening. My other time was definitely hanging out with our godsons in Meow Wolf in Albuquerque.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Well, no, it was in Santa Fe actually.
Yeah.
But my godson Caleb was so excited to show us around. He wanted to go here and here and here and here. And there was just so much to see, and it was like artistic and just, it was a different view to see things.
And just seeing them so excited was a lot of fun.
They were excited because we surprised them. So that was very fun as well. But just having that day and spending time with my cousin that I call sister because she's basically my sister, Sam. And the boys, hi, Caleb and Cody. But that was just so much fun. It was different. Another time is when, for my birthday, you asked what I wanted. And I said, I want to go to the Villains After Hours. And that's when we found Grim Life Collective, Michael and Jessica. So that's when we became friends with them and invited them with us and you guys to go on that adventure. So that was fun. It was I can't wait for those parties to hopefully come back.
Oh me too. Me too.
A good memory as well is seeing Graceland during Christmas time.
Oh yeah, we just got done with that video.
Yeah, because they are like, oh yeah, the blue curtains get turned down, and then you see the red. But like just seeing it and like that Christmas tree, it wasn't the same Christmas tree. It was the ornaments and the what do you call
the tinsel?
Yeah, those were all original. And then seeing the decorations, it just made it that much more special. That we already had seen Graceland, but then to see it at Christmas time.
You know, to that, it's almost as if you are. When you go in there, if you haven't gone, you guys have to go during Christmas.
Or at least check out the video.
Yeah. But when you're there, even though it's roped off, you're kind of waiting around for Elvis to walk down those stairs.
Or Priscilla, or even Lisa Marie and her daughters.
Oh, I found out that after we left,
they were there
a week
for
later.
Christmas.
Yeah, she came out there for Christmas.
That's why they closed it down, because she goes there for Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, and then my last one is when we did Robert the Doll, the actual investigation. We were like the test subjects, I guess, for David Sloan.
Oh yeah, the lockdown.
The lockdown when we did it.
Yeah.
We did it. It was a cool experience. It was the first time that it ever was investigated. Our little Robert is with us. You can see him in the background over there somewhere. But little Robert is with us. He has visited us. You guys know the story. Also, we have a lot of ghost stories, and I know we only put like 1 or 2 videos out. If you guys want to know more about our ghost stories that really happened to us when we had our paranormal group, let us know in the comments, because that would be cool videos to do as well. Yes, we go down a lot to visit Robert the Doll, but I feel we have a special connection.
Oh, I agree.
With him.
I agree.
He calls us down when we need to, and then there are reasons why he calls us down to go there.
Right. So, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. What are your top moments or top 5 videos?
Well, the first video I think is, I was kind of blown away by Mardi Gras at Universal.
That's true. I forgot, yeah.
Because I was not expecting it to be so festive, so much fun.
Or get beaten up by the beads.
Yeah, I didn't expect to have bruises from the beads.
We still have some of the beads just because we have the memories of it.
Yeah. Well, and because if you remember one of the videos, we had, a ton.
My whole forearm and pretty much up here was filled with beads.
Yeah, and so she rifled through and picked her favorite colors, and then...
I mean, why not?
Why not?
And then the giveaway had it in there,
yeah, Yeah, so, I mean, guys, it was amazing. My first time trying alligator bites. Delicious.
We might have to do it again if
it comes back out. My second video, honestly... Well, I guess my second and third video, because they're not the same, but they're the same kind of ride. It's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway and Rise of the Resistance. Yeah,
those are hard to compare.
Yeah, I mean, the nostalgic part of Mickey and Minnie's, I love every bit about that ride. I'm a big fan of the old school Mickey and Minnie, the way they look, not the modern look that they have now. But that's my opinion. I'm very nostalgic Disney, like Disney Springs. I like Downtown Disney. So those kind of things. I'm an old fashioner Disneyer. Does that make sense? Makes sense in my head.
Musketeer.
Yeah. Sure. Rise of the Resistance. We've never seen a Star Wars movie. I mean, well, I take that back.
We probably saw parts of
it.
The different movies, but not finished a full movie.
No, we never sat down and watched a movie from start to finish. Nor will we know where to start in the whole.
And now with the series, The Mandalorian, oh my gosh, that's just too much to even.
Yeah, but I do appreciate Star Wars Land, Batuu. Is that what it's called? But I do appreciate
Star Wars Galaxy Edge.
Yeah, I mean all those places I love those areas.
Milk, we like the blue milk.
Yeah.
I mean, we like to experience that stuff.
Do I know what the significance is in the movies? Absolutely not.
It's a good little snack for us.
But the technology, the theming, the whole ride experience. I mean, being abused by guards on a spaceship, amazing.
We use that word very lightly.
I mean, I got yelled at. You got yelled at.
Well, I touched a button.
And they ripped your head off.
Okay. So yes, I said in the other videos, I think Mickey's Runaway Railway is better than Rise of the Resistance. That's because we're not like fans of it, but because we also, like Brian said, we haven't watched those movies to really know. So I know I did get a little bit of backlash on that, but that's my reasoning.
No, I mean, and it's legit. And then our first visit to Graceland is probably going to be another top video.
Yeah.
Elvis was larger than life. And so when you think of like all these celebrities, you're like, oh wow, these people, like, they have to have big homes, they live extravagant lives.
Even though it's called a mansion.
Yeah.
Nowadays.
Yeah.
It's not. It's
I mean,
like
our house, the house that we live in now is probably bigger than the house that he lived in. The guy was so humble and was so amazing, and you're like, you don't think of that because of who he was and the persona that he had. And that was, I mean, that to me, I mean, that's why you see a lot of the comments like he was so humble. And you look at his house, it's so humble. So my last, if you want to call it my last, all the videos are my favorite, but since we're doing this whole top 5 thing, I think would be, like you said, all of our Robert the Doll videos. You know, when you meet someone famous, kind of like when we hang out with Michael and Jessica, you kind of get butterflies in your stomach.
Like, what do I say? What do I do?
Kind of the same way when you meet Robert. You know, you kind of like, you know, hi Robert, don't be mean. You know what I mean?
Because
you hear all these stories.
Things. You hear the bad things of Robert. Robert's a little kid.
Yeah. I mean, the doll is amazing. The doll is beautiful. But guys, 2021 is a new year, new chapter. Come September, we'll be on YouTube for 3 years. This year.
Jeez.
Our channel officially started in July, but we didn't post our first video until September. But when you look at it, it's like, wow, 3 years and 6 months. So we're 2.5 years old, and we've come a longer way than we ever thought we would.
Yeah.
And we want to set achievable goals in our views.
And hopefully you guys can help us out with that.
Yeah.
Especially what we plan on doing. And when we do ask you to share with your family and friends, we really do mean it. And a lot of you guys have, and it's just like, wow. Like, it blows our mind with so much positivity that you guys are giving us. And it's incredible.
Oh, it is. I mean, in the back of your mind, when you sit there and when you hear people start YouTube channels like, oh, I'm going to be YouTube famous. That's not our goal, by the way.
We're doing this because we want to share our stories, our memories, our adventures with you guys.
Yeah.
Because with coronavirus especially.
Oh. And you know, we try to be positive. I'm going to be a little negative here. In a messed up world, sometimes you need a couple of teaspoons of happiness and joy, and we hope that we bring that to you, because I know you guys give that to us. And so, like, one of those things is just like, we're building a community that we really,
Bam.
yeah, I mean, it is,
it really is, you guys.
It's a family, and we never thought we would be where we're at, but we are excited to be where we're going. Mm-hmm. You know, and I'm not going to call us influencers because we're not influencing nobody.
No, I think you guys laugh at us more than anything because we laugh at each other, as you can tell, all the time.
We just want to bring joy to your guys' lives, just like you guys bring joy to us, and that's God's honest truth. Mm-hmm. So when we look at 2021, so one of our biggest goals is to hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And that's where I think you guys can help us in building our community by sharing with, like Amber always says, share with the friends and family.
And keep a discussion going in the comments. Like
the other 2 goals, I think that's just where, as our community grows, this will be met, is we want to have 4,000 hours watch time, which is pretty easy to do, I think.
I think we have it, or we're about to. Something like that.
Yeah. And then we want to hit 100,000 views for the year, which I think we can do, because last year we did pretty good.
I have faith in our fan that we'll get our channel monetized this year with 1,000 subs, because we're at 408. That grew even more so than what we thought.
Yeah. And the whole thing about
408, yeah.
408, yeah. And so the only reason why we say we want to become monetized this year, it's not because we're for the money. It's because
not for the ads.
No, it is honestly, it's to be able to bring more videos to you guys, to be able to do that.
Post more. Actually, we want to start posting more than 2 videos a week. Mm-hmm. We're trying that as soon as we can. But like we said, if we get monetized, I think it'll help us out a lot with that. And
it's hard because both Amber and I work, so we try to bring you guys as many videos as possible. But without the quantity of videos, we try to give you the best quality videos.
Yeah.
So
sometimes it may be once a week, unfortunately. Yeah, well, but we try to bring you the best that we can and have you guys laughing and enjoying life with us. Because right now it's just us 2, and you guys know that with our little kitty Echo.
Oh, yeah. So, who's outside the door waiting on us, yelling at us.
Don't hear her.
One of the other things that we want to do, too, and comment below if you guys think, if you're on board with this.
Yes, please let us know.
We want to travel a lot more and do less of a theme park thing. Because, like, we've really started noticing that most of you guys, our family, want to be along with us while we travel and less of the theme park. So I think that's where we kind of want to set our focus this year, is take little weekend trips and stuff like that. So
I mean, unless there's like special things going on or stuff like that, or I as a cast member know of things, then of course we're going to go to theme parks for Disney and Universal. But we're trying to, like Brian said, travel a little bit more and try new and different things.
Well, it is in our name. We're Echo Travel Adventures.
I mean, why not? We got to take Kitty with us too.
No, we got a lot of things that we're trying to think of doing, but again, we're with our work schedule. Sometimes it doesn't allow us to travel, but we're going to do. That's our goal for us, is to bring you more travel videos.
Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Like we said, please share with your family and friends. It doesn't have to be this video; it can be other videos as well. Any cool things, or let us know your top 5, top 3, or the videos that you do like from us. Let us know. Keep a list going, a discussion going. We love seeing those comments. So please leave some comments. Don't forget to like the videos. It does help us out as well. It's for free. Share the love. 2021, new beginnings.
Yes. You guys, we're so excited, and we are so thankful for you all. And we will definitely see you next time. Bye, guys.